दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे। यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
पढ़ ले।
ಕಥೆಯೊಂದ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಬರಿ ಗುರುತುಗಳೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಿನ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾರಿಡಾರ್ ವಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲದೆ ಗುರುತೊಂದನು ನಾಗೀಚಿದೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಿನ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ। ದಮ್ದರೆ 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 ದಮ್ದ ದಮ್ದರೆ ದಮ್ದರೆ ದರೆ ದಮ್ 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 तेरी मेरी दोस्ती, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती कितना कमीना है तू, कमीना है लाखों में तू ही है मेरा यार, मेरा यार। मेरी जिंदगी का पहला ब्रेकअप, टूट टूट के रोना, मुझ पे जोर जोर से सालों मिलके तुम्हारा हंसना। 8 बजे की तारों 1 बजे की भूख, तेरा प्यार से तेरे लिए मैगी बनाना। लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा यारो, जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा। है जुनू सा जीने में, है जुनू सा सीने में, है जुनू सा जीने में, है जुनू सा सीने में, है जुनू।
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ, एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
did not know no pain. When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Yeah, yeah. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back your memories bring back your.
लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
What a joyful, memorable and enthusiastic 3 years were those. In these 3 years, we laughed, sung happily at the top of our voices. We fought, we made fun of each other, and also we made fun of our teachers. Whichever class we were given with, in every class we made beautiful memories. And mainly, most of us a lot of memories, not just in classrooms, but also outside the gates, eagerly waiting for the chance to get inside the campus. Students of other college jump off the gate to get outside the college, but we are a little crazy because we jump up the gates to get inside the campus. Each and every event were really memorable, even though we used to fight among ourselves, but at the end we used to enjoy them merrily and can't forget that end dance of every event. Many disputes, many arguments, many fights, and many misunderstandings. We have gone through all of them, whether that may be in canteen or in classroom or in between the event or while playing or while giving our exams. We didn't knew even these are going to turn into best memories of our lives, where we are going to laugh out really loud thinking about how stupid we all used to be. While celebrating birthdays, we didn't knew that we are not just making memories for birthday boy or birthday girl, but we were making memories for ourselves too. And the outbounds were so memorable. And the joys we used to have while writing our internals was even more worthy than outing. And the art of writing the exams and our lab exams, were really memorable. As and how time passed by and we approached to the end, Then suddenly our hearts started to become heavy. We all didn't notice how time flew away so fast that it seemed that just a few months ago we have joined the college. Our eyes started to wet in. We all wanted to make some more, actually a lot more memories, but couldn't make them up. Time wasn't for us, I guess. Who knew that before actually getting apart, we will be made apart far in our respective homes? Who knew our communication and interaction all were going to be done through calling, texting, video calling, Ludo, PUBG, and many more? Who knew that these were also going to be the most best memories of our lives? In some days, we all will be facing our exams. Hopefully, cursing the examination board and also at the same time getting cheerful that we all are going to meet up again. In few days, we will finish our exams, but this time with sorrow filled in our heavy hearts. Taking oaths of being in touch, also having plans to get together, but slowly we all become busy. The daily calls will turn up into weekly calls, and gradually weekly calls into monthly. In taking up the responsibilities, we all will get busy in our own schedules. Yes, we all know this is how life functions, don't we? What has started should always end. But I believe how much ever busy we run, how much ever far we are apart, we will always be connected through our beautiful memories that we created. We laughed together, we fought with each other, we cried together, we made many impossible possible together. But most importantly, we made memories together. Yes, we are not friends. We are not best friends either. We are a family.